Alright guys, let's go contenders football. Good luck, guys. Good luck, guys. Contenders football. Base. First auto, you got Minnesota Vikings at David Morgan. Minnesota Vikings base, David Morgan. Base. Or base. Base. Second auto, number 2 at 99. On card, Houston Texans, Tyler Irvin. Texans, Tyler Irvin. Base. Another one, number 299. The Baltimore Ravens, Ronnie Stanley. Ravens, Ronnie Stanley. Base. Or base. Base. Or base. Or base. The first auto was of Minnesota Vikings, David Morgan. Minnesota Vikings, David Morgan was your first auto. Got Chargers, Derek Watt. Chargers, Derek Watt. Base. Got 400 points. We'll randomize that when we get done. 400 points. Base. Or base. Or base. Got a New England Patriot rookie roundup, Jacoby Brissett. Patriots, Jacoby Brissett. Base. Or base. Base. Last pack, box number 1. Base. Last pack, box 1. Box number 2. Box 2. Base. Let that stack back. 4 base. Got number 299 for the Redskins, Sua Cravens. Redskins, Sua Cravens. Base. Or base. Got number 299's Raider, Amari Cooper. Amari Cooper to 99. Got numbered 299 for the Cleveland Browns on card, or 49, Cody Kessler. The Browns to 49, Cody Kessler. Base. Sticker auto for the Giants, you got Eli Apple, horizontal. Eli Apple, horizontal. For the Giants. Base. Got a Giant of Darren Thompson. Giants, Darren Thompson. Base. Base. Or base. Base. Or base. Base for the DeForest Buckner, Rookie of the Year. Or base. Base. Or base. Or base. Another auto, Cleveland Browns. You've got Jordan Payton. The Browns, Jordan Payton. Base. Or base. Base. Last pack, box number 2. Base. Last pack, box 2, box number 3. Box number 3. So in tournament, we'll do the exact same thing. We'll do contenders football, but instead of doing preferred, we will do NT baseball. Got a plate for the Rams, Mike Thomas. Mike Thomas. Plate, 101 plate for the Rams. Base. 4 base. The Bucks, you get Noah Spence. Noah Spence for the Bucks. Base. 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 Four base. Base. Got number 2/7. Number to 7 on card, Kevin Hogan. Number to 7, Kansas City Chiefs, Kevin Hogan. Numbered 7/7, Kevin Hogan. Base. Base. Or base. Other on card, Buffalo Bills, Jonathan Williams. Buffalo's Jonathan Williams. Base. Or base. Number to 249s, Demaryius Thomas for the Broncos. Got a Seattle Seahawk of Nick Vannett. Seahawks, Nick Vannett. Base. Got number 2/199 for the Saints, Daniel Lasco. 199 for the Saints, Daniel Lasco. Base. Or base. Or base. Base. Or base. Finishing out box number 3. Finishing out box number 3. Number 4. Box number 4. Box 4. Then we'll move on to preferred. Auto for the Chargers. You got Kenneth Farrow. Chargers, Kenneth Farrow. Base. Or base. Or base. Number 2, 249s, TJ Yeldon. TJ Yeldon. Got on card to 199, the Green Bay Packers, Trevor Davis. Green Bay's Trevor Davis. Base. Got number 2, 199 for the Falcons, Austin Hooper. Falcons, Austin Hooper. Base. Or base. Base. Or base. Got for the Patriots, you got AJ Derby. Patriots, AJ Derby. Base. Base. Or base. Got for the Denver Broncos, base autos, Braylon Anderson. Braylon Addison. Denver. Base. 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 Auto for the Tennessee Titans, TJ Sharp. Titans, TJ Sharp. Base. Or base. Base. Or base. Last pack, Contenders football tonight. All base. Finish finishing out contenders. So we got a randomizer to do for your points, and we'll move on to preferred football. Alright guys, good luck. Gonna go 3 times, like we always do. First time, got the Titans. Second time, the Vikings. Third time, gonna go to the Ravens. Going to the Ravens on that one. Going to the Ravens. Taking that one home.